Hello, Glam Squad. May the 4th be with you, and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and I love nails, and I love Star Wars. So we are, sorry for the sigh, my daughter's dog is just going nuts right now, and so you're probably going to hear him in the voiceover and maybe a little yelling. Sorry about that. So we are going to celebrate Star Wars together today for May the 4th. If you're not familiar with it, it's May the 4th be with you. So May the 4th is Star Wars Day. And of course, May the 4th be with you is a play on May the Force be with you. And so definitely, guys, May the Force be with you. And I am just doing a set. I can't even say it's inspired by. This is almost a full recreation of a set from 6 years ago on a channel called Jaunty Julie. I will go ahead and write that here on the actual screen. Sorry, I was looking at her page and I got distracted. She is still posting, so I am definitely going to be checking out her channel more. So shout out to Jaunty Julie. Thank you so much for this Star Wars inspired set. So what we're doing is making a little Darth Vader. Okay, we're just doing I'm not sure, it's sort of sketchy, sort of like they're sketches almost, right? Just little hints, little representations of the characters, and not all the characters. This is a very Empire Strikes Back sort of set because it's a very Empire. It has the Death Star. We've got dear old Anakin Skywalker, otherwise known as Darth Vader. Darth Vader. Now we are coming in with the first layer of our Death Star. And the Death Star is just going to be a big circle, guys. And I start with this size, and then on the second 2 coats, because I do 3 coats, I do end up making it a little larger. And I show all 3 coats, so you will see what I mean shortly. The Death Star, honestly, was the easiest part of this. I struggled with Darth Vader and a tiny bit with the Stormtrooper. But you know what? I did okay. It was okay. And I'm happy with the end result. So that's all you can hope for. I think I worked through my issues, not 100%, but mostly. And it just gives me a place to keep, you guys know that I am constantly trying to increase my skills and get better and add new skills. As you can see here on the second coat, I'm just widening it. I feel like it was just too small. I want that Death Star to overtake this nail. So anyway, the challenge of this set really pushed me. It pushed me outside of my comfort zone. It made me really work with what I have available to me, and I'm really happy with where I ended up. We're doing his little mouth area of his mask right there, and I'm sorry, I'm a tiny bit out of frame there, or all the way out of frame, but I was just cleaning up a little bit there. I didn't like that one line, and so I'm just going to come in and fix everything that I didn't like. There we go, as we finish up his little mouth section. And then a line across the bottom to give it a little definition, let you know for sure, hey, this is his little mouth section where he talks and breathes through. I cannot pretend that I know everything that's inside that mask, even though you do see in it once in a while. And you see him a couple of times when he's Darth, you see, okay, I'm not going to go through all of the movies, but you see Anakin Skywalker as a child and a young adult, but you only see him as an older adult a couple of times in, is that Return of the Jedi? It must be Return of the Jedi, right? It's been a minute since I watched the Tridge. So I love Star Wars. I don't like it as much as I like Star Trek. And I know that that's a debate that a lot of people rage. I don't rage that debate. Okay, we're doing the Stormtrooper right now. And after struggling a lot, I decided to connect the dots. So if you struggle with making certain shapes, connect the dots. Once I did that and it gave me a visual guide to follow, my brush did the work, right? I just knew where I needed to go. I let my brush do what it needed to do, and bing a bang and a boom, you had 2 eyes. And they're scary eyes. You could do that for ghost eyes, right? I'm gonna be doing that for Halloween. We'll do a boo set. How about that? A boo set. That's my boo-boo. Okay. Those eyes are curing because I don't want to mess them up. When you're doing handwork, if you like something you did, cure it so you don't. If you mess anything else up, you won't mess it up when you have to clean up. So cure a lot. I just cure a lot when I'm doing handwork like this. So we're coming in and making one of the droids. I'm not going to pretend that I know which droid it is. It's not R2-D2. It's certainly not C-3PO because it's not gold. R2-D2 is white and blue. So it's neither of them. It's definitely some Empire droid that I don't know. So if you know what kind of droid it is, hit me below. Maybe it's like a trash droid or something. I don't know. Now we're making the little mouth section on the Stormtrooper, which is really just some dots and little dashes, actually dashes in a downturned frown sort of situation. Now, I did not look up what an actual Stormtrooper looks like to know what the little triangle and dots are for, but I just followed her tutorial and went for it. Okay, and I think it came out cute. Even if it's not a perfect representation of a Stormtrooper, you know that's what you're looking at, right? Now these are 2 lightsabers, the red and the blue, that are crossing, and of course the red lightsaber belongs to Darth Vader and the blue lightsaber belongs to Luke Skywalker. And if you're familiar with the story, you know that is father and son in a battle to the death. Sorry, spoiler alert for like a 40-year-old movie. Okay, guys, what we're doing now is top coat. Just full disclosure, though, I did do a nice juicy base coat and then cleaned off the sticky layer so that when we did this top coat, you'd still get a nice shiny reveal, which is everyone's favorite part. I almost forgot to say the little gray dot on the Death Star there is where the laser comes out, and that's what I did the dot for. But this is our finished Star Wars set. Guys, let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I really think they came out cute. Another big, huge thank you to Jaunty Julie for showing me how it's done. She made it so much easier. And thank you guys for coming by today and spending May the 4th with me. We're going to see you on Friday for a product reveal, something we've never had on the channel before. So if you have not already, please be sure that you are subscribed. We will see you then. Bye-bye.